Welcome to Excellence Playa Mujeres, an oasis of luxury nestled along the pristine coastline of Playa Mujeres. This resort promises a haven of relaxation and adventure, and we're here to guide you through the top 10 things to do during your stay. From indulgent spa treatments to thrilling water activities, there's something for every type of traveler. Number 10 is indulging in spa treatments. Begin your journey at Excellence Playa Mujeres by indulging in the rejuvenating world of the spa. The resort spa is a sanctuary of tranquility, offering a range of treatments designed to pamper and revitalize. Trained therapists, serene surroundings, and a variety of massages, facials, and body treatments await, providing a perfect escape from the stresses of everyday life. Whether you opt for a traditional massage or a signature treatment, the spa experience at Excellence Playa Mujeres is bound to set the tone for a blissful retreat. Number 9 is treating your taste buds with gourmet dining. Culinary delights await you at Excellence Playa Mujeres. The resort prides itself on offering a diverse array of dining options, each presenting a unique gastronomic experience. From fine dining establishments showcasing international cuisines to casual beachside eateries serving up fresh and flavorful delights, your taste buds are in for a treat. Take a culinary journey around the world without leaving the resort, savoring the creations of talented chefs who strive to make each meal a memorable experience. Don't miss the opportunity to explore different restaurants throughout your stay, ensuring that each dining experience is a delightful adventure in itself. Next on the list is pure bliss. Number 8 is beach day. The resort boasts a private stretch of pristine white sand beach that beckons you to unwind and soak in the sun-drenched paradise. Whether you prefer lounging under a shaded palapa with a good book or taking a leisurely stroll along the shoreline, the beach at Excellence Playa Mujeres offers a serene escape. The crystal-clear waters invite you for a refreshing swim, and the soft sands provide the perfect foundation for relaxation. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty of Playa Mujeres as you enjoy a blissful beach day, taking in the soothing sounds of the waves and the gentle caress of the ocean breeze. At number 7 we have Aquatic Adventures. For our water lovers out there, get ready for some excitement. For those seeking excitement on the water, Excellence Playa Mujeres offers a variety of aquatic adventures. Grab a snorkel and explore the vibrant underwater world just off the shore. Kayaking enthusiasts can paddle along the coast, taking in the scenic views of the turquoise waters and lush surroundings. For a more leisurely experience, consider embarking on a catamaran ride, where you can bask in the beauty of the Caribbean Sea. Whether you're an experienced water sports enthusiast or a beginner looking for a new experience, the resort's water activities cater to a range of preferences, promising thrilling moments in the sun and surf. At number 6, we have Poolside Relaxation for pool lovers. Now, let's cool off at the pool, escape to the resort's pools, each offering a unique atmosphere for relaxation. Whether you're in the mood for a lively pool with activities and socializing or a tranquil space to unwind in peace, Excellence Playa Mujeres has a pool to suit your preferences. Lounge on comfortable sunbeds, take refreshing dips, and enjoy poolside service as you soak in the tropical surroundings. The pool areas are designed to cater to various moods, ensuring that every guest finds their ideal spot for unwinding and enjoying the resort's vibrant ambience. Number 5 is for all golf enthusiasts. Excellence Playa Mujeres is conveniently located near a world-class golf course designed by none other than Greg Norman. Tee off amidst lush landscapes and captivating views, creating an unparalleled golfing experience. The course offers a perfect blend of challenge and enjoyment, set against the backdrop of the stunning natural beauty that characterizes the Playa Mujeres region. Whether you're a seasoned golfer or someone looking to try the sport for the first time, the resort provides easy access to an exceptional golfing experience that combines sport with the pleasures of the tropics. Number 4 is Nightly Entertainment Extravaganza. Get ready for vibrant evenings in Excellence Playa Mujeres. As the sun sets, Excellence Playa Mujeres transforms into a hub of entertainment and excitement. Each night brings forth a variety of shows and performances that cater to different tastes. From live music performances featuring talented artists to themed shows that transport you to different cultural realms, the resort's entertainment schedule ensures that every evening is filled with vibrant energy. Immerse yourself in the captivating performances, enjoy the lively atmosphere, and let the night come alive as you make memories under the stars. At number 3 we have fitness and wellness. Join a morning yoga session or hit the state-of-the-art fitness center. It's all about keeping that balance. Maintain your health and well-being during your stay at Excellence Playa Mujeres by taking advantage of the resort's fitness facilities and wellness programs. Join a morning yoga session to start your day with tranquility and balance, or engage in a workout at the state-of-the-art fitness center equipped with modern exercise equipment. The resort's commitment to wellness extends beyond physical activities, with wellness programs designed to nourish the mind, body, and soul. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone looking to prioritize self-care, Excellence Playa Mujeres provides the resources and facilities to support your well-being goals while surrounded by the beauty of the tropics. At number 2 we have cultural excursions, the perfect blend of relaxation and exploration. While Excellence Playa Mujeres offers a world of luxury within its confines, take the opportunity to venture beyond the resort and explore the rich cultural offerings of the Playa Mujeres region. Participate in guided tours to nearby attractions and historical sites, gaining insights into the local culture and heritage. Visit archaeological wonders, interact with the vibrant local community, and immerse yourself in the authenticity of the destination. Excellence Playa Mujeres serves as a gateway to the cultural treasures of the region, allowing you to create a holistic travel experience that combines the indulgence of resort living with the exploration of the destination's cultural richness. Number 1 is romantic sunset dinners. And finally, let's end on a romantic note. End your days at Excellence Playa Mujeres with the pinnacle of romance, a private sunset dinner. Imagine a gourmet meal served on the beach or a secluded terrace, surrounded by the serene sounds of waves and the soft touch of warm sand beneath your feet. The vibrant hues of the setting sun will paint the sky over the Caribbean horizon, creating a breathtaking backdrop for your evening. This intimate experience is carefully designed for couples seeking to craft unforgettable moments in a mesmerizing setting. Whether you are celebrating a special occasion or simply reveling in the beauty of the moment, Excellence Playa Mujeres provides the ideal stage for romantic evenings that are as delicious as they are memorable. So, immerse yourself in the enchantment of a private sunset dinner, where every detail is tailored to create a magical atmosphere for you and your partner. It's a perfect way to culminate your stay at Excellence Playa Mujeres with a touch of romance that will linger in your hearts forever. Thank you for watching this video highlighting 10 things to do in Excellence Playa Mujeres. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more exciting travel content, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.